Ever felt like your life is a tangled mess of spreadsheets? Budget tracker here, project plan there, recipe collection hiding somewhere else. The struggle is real. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a single platform that could handle all your data, keep it organized, and maybe even look good while doing it? That's the promise of Notion. This all-in-one workspace boasts features for everything from note-taking to project management, and its sleek interface has productivity enthusiasts swooning. But what about spreadsheets? Can Notion truly replace your trusty Excel or Google Sheets? Let's dive in and find out. Notion versus spreadsheets. Apples and oranges? Hold on a second, spreadsheet lovers. Before we dissect Notion's capabilities, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Notion isn't built to be a full-fledged spreadsheet replacement. Spreadsheets excel, pun intended, at complex calculations, intricate formulas, and massive datasets. Notion, on the other hand, shines in a different light. It's more about creating flexible databases with a visual twist. Think of it this way. Spreadsheets are like specialized tools for data manipulation, while Notion is your customizable toolbox. It can handle many spreadsheet-like tasks, but with a focus on organization and aesthetics. So what can Notion's spreadsheets do? Now that we've established the ground rules, let's explore what Notion's database feature, the closest thing it has to spreadsheets, can actually do. Building your data castle. Notion databases allow you to create tables with customizable properties. These properties can be text, numbers, dates, even files and links. Imagine a budget tracker where each row is a transaction, with properties for amount, category, and date. You can then filter and sort based on these properties, letting you analyze your spending habits with ease. Formula Fun Light version Notion offers basic formulas that let you perform calculations within your database. It's not Excel-level complexity, but you can add, subtract, multiply, and even perform basic aggregations like sums and averages. This is perfect for simple calculations like expense totals or project budget estimations. Say goodbye to data silos. One of Notion's biggest strengths is its ability to connect databases. Imagine a project management database where each project links to a client database, automatically pulling in client information. This eliminates the need for duplicate data entry and ensures everything stays in sync. Visual appeal. Let's face it, spreadsheets can be visually dull. Notion's databases allow you to customize how your data is displayed, change font styles, add colors, and even embed images to create a more engaging experience. This can be particularly useful for presentations or reports. Who should consider Notion spreadsheets? Notion's database features are a great fit for several types of users. Freelancers and solopreneurs. If you juggle multiple projects and need a central hub to track tasks, clients, and finances, Notion's databases can be a game changer. Content creators. Manage your editorial calendar, track content ideas, and organize research materials, all within a single Notion database. Students and educators. Create collaborative study guides, track assignments, and manage class notes. Notion offers a dynamic workspace for learning. Notion's spreadsheets. Limitations to consider. While Notion's databases offer a compelling alternative for some spreadsheet tasks, there are limitations to consider. Formula shortcomings. If you rely on complex calculations and pivot tables, Notion won't cut it. Spreadsheets still reign supreme when it comes to advanced data manipulation. Large datasets. Notion might struggle with very large datasets. Spreadsheets are optimized for handling massive amounts of data efficiently. Offline access. Limited. While Notion offers limited offline functionality, it's primarily an online tool. Spreadsheets offer more flexibility for offline work. So, can Notion replace spreadsheets entirely? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. For those who need basic data organization, task management, and a touch of visual appeal, Notion's databases are a fantastic option. However, if your workflow revolves around complex calculations, massive datasets, or the need for robust offline functionality, then spreadsheets remain your trusty companion. The good news? Notion and spreadsheets can coexist peacefully. Use Notion for tasks where organization and visual appeal are key, and leverage spreadsheets when complex calculations or heavy data manipulation come into play. Ultimately, the best tool is the one that helps you be most productive. Experiment with both Notion and spreadsheets, see what works for you, and build your own productivity dream team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.